Welcome to my channel. 192.168.100.1 Router Login, Admin Access and Setup Guide. 1. Connect to your router. Use a computer, laptop, or smartphone connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable to your router. 2. Open a web browser. Launch any browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and type http://192.168.100.1 in the address bar, then press enter. 3. Enter admin credentials. You will see the login page. Enter your router's admin username and password. Default is often admin, or check the router label. 4. Access the admin panel. Once logged in, you can see the router dashboard with network settings, connected devices, and other options. 5. Change admin username and password. Go to System Settings, right pointing arrow Administration to change the default username and password for security. 6. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Navigate to Wireless Settings to set or change your Wi-Fi SSID and password. 7. Set up Guest Network, optional. Enable a guest network if you want visitors to access the internet without using your main Wi-Fi. 8. Update firmware. Check for any router firmware updates under System Tools, right pointing arrow Firmware Update for better performance and security. 9. Save changes. Always click Save or Apply after making any changes to ensure they take effect. 10. Reboot router, optional. Restart the router if required to apply new settings properly. Thanks for watching.